comes to creating your dream bathroom, choosing the right vanity to suit your needs is so important. With the Posh Domain vanity range, you can create and customise your perfect solution. This is our Domain all-drawer shelf model that comes with a spacious drawer and open shelf for added storage and accessorising. This is one of our Plus models with our premium graphite interior and premium soft close runners. It also comes in a standard option that features a fresh white interior and soft close drawers. This unit is a wall-hung option, great for creating that sense of space in the bathroom. The Domain all-drawer shelf unit comes in a wide range of sizes, from a 600mm right up to an 1800mm, so you can find the right vanity to suit your needs and space requirements. This is our 1200 model, paired with a single integrated basin, but you can also upgrade to double basins on our 12, 15 and 1800 models, so you don't have to share. The Domain units can also be customised to suit your personal style, with a range of the most popular cabinet finishes and bench tops. Here is a matte polyurethane finish in Milton Moon Grey with a ceramic top. You can also choose a Friday Hybrid Quartz, Cherry Pie Solid Surface or Bamboo top to pair with your choice of basin, or an acrylic top for another integrated basin option. Get in contact with one of our experienced consultants at your local Reece showroom, or explore the Reece website to see the full range of Posh Domain vanities. Thanks for watching.